All right, we have already learned that when you graph a straight line, the slope is the same all the way across the line. Because what is slope? Slope is the steepness. It's not the length. It's not the distance. It's the steepness. So if you look at a line, and this graph's kind of off, guys, because I made this myself. Do you see how the dot's kind of like not in the perfect spot? It was just a formatting issue on my end. But when you look at a line, the steepness is the same from here to here as it is from here to here. Yes, this is longer than this, but the steepness is the same. So today we're going to prove that it doesn't matter what 2 points you use, the slope is the same if it's on the same line. So what I'm going to teach you is how to prove that. So is the slope from A to B the same as B to C? Yes or no? Yes, I just told you it is. So what I want you to do right here is find the slope for AB. So from here to here, what's the rise? So write that down for rise. From here to here, what's the run? Okay, is it positive going up or negative going down? Positive. All right, let's simplify that in our calculator, which y'all should already know. 2 over 1 simplifies to 2. Now, if this is true, what should I get for the slope from B to C? I should also get 2 if this is true. So let's go see if it's true. So take your pencil and let's do the rise from C to B. What is the rise? Yes, 6. What is the run? 1, 2, 3. Is it up, positive, or down, negative? So if I simplify 6 over 3, what does it simplify to? So is this true, what I taught you, that it does not matter what 2 points you use, if they fall on the same line, the slope is the same. So how would this be asked on the STAR test? If you flip to the back, I put 2 STAR tested questions on here. Do you agree that the answer choices look confusing? They do, and I agree with you. So I'm going to teach you the easiest way to do this, and it is very easy, okay? What they're wanting you to do is prove that JL, everybody look, J to L has the same slope as M to P. How do I know that their slopes are the same? Because they fall on the same line. That's why they're the same. I already know they're the same. They are wanting me to prove that. So here's what you're going to do. Are y'all ready? You're going to find the slope of one of them. It doesn't matter which one. I would always use the smallest one because then you don't have to simplify. Are y'all ready? So I want you to do the rise over run. And again, it doesn't matter which 2 points you pick. I don't have everybody's attention. We should be paying attention. This is easy. So I want you to find the rise. So what's the rise from here to here? 4. What is the run from here to here? 3. Is this a up slope going up or down? I heard one person. Down. So what is it going to have in front of it? So that's your answer. And yes, you do have to simplify it, but negative 4/3 cannot simplify. Now, to find your answer, all you're going to do is type these in your calculator and see which one gives you that answer. Okay, so for choice F, you're going to type in this into alpha y equals. So everybody get your calculator out. So everybody go to alpha y equals option 1. I'm waiting. I don't see everybody doing it. You're going to type in 0 minus negative 7. If you don't want to put the parentheses, you don't have to. Then go down and put in 4 minus negative 4. Hit enter. Did that give you negative 4/3? So F is not the answer. Y'all see how easy this actually is? All right, let's try G. I'm going to go to alpha y equals. I'm going to type in 0 minus 4 over negative 4 minus negative 7. Did that give you negative 4/3? Yes. Do you just pick that answer? No. Now that you've checked this side and it was good, it was negative 4/3, you're going to check this side because they could trick you and only do one side. So you're going to go check this side real quick. Negative 4 minus 8 over negative 1 minus negative 10, which is also negative 4/3. So did it all match?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, that's the answer. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on this one. You're going to prove that the slope from P to R is the same as the slope from R to T. Now, the biggest mistake I see students make on this is they forget to do rise over run, and they do run over rise. Which way does rise have to go? Okay, so look, a lot of students, they just get excited, they go do this, and they put this number on top. That is not a rise. That is a what? That's a run. Okay, so here's the rise. What is it? 4. And here's the run. What is it?
3.
So it's the same thing as the other one. Yeah? Is it positive or negative? Negative. So here's my answer. And yes, you do have to simplify, but negative 4/3 can't simplify. We're not paying attention. Eyes on the board. Okay, so I go test out choice F by going to alpha y equals and typing in 3 minus 7 over negative 4 minus negative 7. Did I get negative 4/3? Do I just pick that answer? No, I must go check the other side. So negative 5 minus 3 over 2 minus negative 4 is also negative 4/3. So that's your answer.
So I have a
Question.
So you did say something about like as long as something about the line, like
If the dots fall on the same line, the slopes are the same. So do you see how these dots all fall on the same line? Therefore, their slope's the same.
in the future will it be like where they're on separate?
No. Okay, your assignment will be found in the Google Classroom. All you're going to do, I need y'all to listen, is rise over run. On your answer document, what I expect to see for number 1 is that you wrote the rise over the run, and I just made up those numbers. Then for choice A, you're going to see if it gives you 2/3. If it doesn't, it's not A. Do you see what I'm saying? It's all you're going to do on the whole assignment. I'll pass out the answer document. Make sure you get it checked with me. When you're finished, your expectations are work on missing work for another class, or study. You have a history test today. You have a reading vocabulary test tomorrow, and you have, if you're in Spanish, you have a test tomorrow.